duck. This current's ripping, so is the wind. Anyway, this T25, the trim's right there. Better get her trimmed down before it hits up. Primer bulb's there. Just fuel injected, just turn the key, put it in reverse. Yeah, you already got reverse power. You can see the running lights work, the front lights up to work, no power to this. Look at the tack when I'm there. The motor seems okay, just once in a while hesitates. I don't know if it's because of the water conditions. But we'll put it forward, give it some gas. Look how fast that sucker goes. 25 high thrust gets her done. Look at that. It gets it. So then we'll take this down here. I'll just make sure this fires up. Ooh, healthy, huh? Turn it off. Do a little gas. Then turn this up. So it doesn't hit, drop the handle.